Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very classy for you because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and very easy to make design ideas, especially for the beginners. All of these are very creative and DIY type 3D hand embroidery flowers. You can make these flowers by only utilizing one time sitting effort of yours, and you can use multiple different ways to design your accessories, your home decor things, your fashionable usable stuff, your in use and your new fashion designing sense, dressing stuff, and much more. All you have to do is you can only be focused and make these very beautiful 3D hand embroidery patterns, because 3D hand embroidery is a very new and emerging concept and has been loved by every embroidery beginner, embroidery artist, embroidery lover, and embroidery maker. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns. First of all, we will discuss some important things, that which things are required to make these embroidery patterns. You need only three things. One is the embroidery frame onto which you will embed or hang on or tighten your fabric onto which you are going to make the embroidery flower. Second is the embroidery thread with the help of which you are going to make the whole pattern. Third is the embroidery needle into which you will put the thread and start working. But all of above a very important and essential ingredient, that is the embroidery pattern. So these were the prerequisites and requirements of making the embroidery pattern. Now we will start discussing the second most important aspect of our video, that is where you can use these very beautifully designed 3D hand embroidery flower designs. Yes friends, if we discuss about the scope of these, then the scope of this is very wide. That is, you can use these embroidery patterns to design a number of stuff. That is, you can use them for dress designing, for making these onto your side necklines, as all over heavy bunches, as sleeve motifs, as blouse motifs, as sari designs, as designing of all over shirt, kurti, as a neckline design pattern for your frock, gown, maxi, or blended shirts, t-shirts specially designed for your summer outfits. And even you can design these very beautiful floral petals onto your denim, jeans, capri, cigarette pants, trousers, and plazos as well, and for the designing of your baby girl frocks. And the scope is not only limited to this. Wait, don't go anywhere. You can also use these very beautifully designed 3D hand embroidery flowers for a wide variety of designing of your home decor items like cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, table covers, pot covers, cup covers, coffee table cover, iron stand cover, your beauty box covers, your vanity covers, your glasses covers, your mobile covers, your already in use fabric material made handbags, purses, grocery bags, tote bags, office bags. And not only this, you can also make these patterns onto your knitted stuff like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, neck warmers, gloves, socks, even handmade hand knitted shoes, slippers, and much more, as much as you like to make them. So I hope that my today's video was helpful for you, informative for you, and was very creative for you, and you have found it very entertaining as well, and you have got the amazing and creative ideas which especially beginners were looking in the field of hand embroidery. So thank you so much for watching. If you really like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below the video to let us know what you think about our content, and meet you soon with a new video in a new content. Up till then, stay connected, stay concerned, and thank you so much for watching.